Hi guys, today I'm cutting some fabric to make piping, make our own piping and cover. The fabric cover needs to be cut on the bias, which is if when you fold your fabric in by the corner, it then stretches. So you need a nice little bit of stretch for your pipe. On the crease here, 2 1/4 inches. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect because the edge will be stitched inside whatever product you're going to make with your piping in. I'm just going to slice along here so that I end up with 2 strips. And then we cut along our mark line. Prefer your strips being a little bit too wide than too narrow. And we're going to go again. Got myself 2 lots here. I'm going to trim the points off here at the end because we're going to join these all together, and that will give me just over 2.5 meters. Okay, we're using piping cord. This is size 6 polyester piping cord, and I'm going to change the foot on my machine that accommodates a piping cord. So use a zipper foot. This is a 1/4 inch piping cord foot. It has a groove to allow the piping to go into. First of all, we're going to join all our strips of fabric together. And I want to use the dull side, so I'm going to join the 2 dulls together. If you make a square, and so from one end of the square diagonally across to the other end, so you're mitering the corner. And just trim that off. This is so that you don't have a great big blunt seam running through your piping. And the last one. Again, line up your square and sew corner to corner. Doesn't have to be 100% accurate. You're not going to see the raw edge. We're going to change the foot to the piping foot. I'm using an industrial machine here. There are lots of piping feet for domestic machines as well. And that's us ready. Now, we're going to take our piping cord, fold it into the center of your fabric, nice and neat into the corner so that you can see a nice tight edge. Place in under your foot, into the groove. Hold your fabric nice and tight. You've got plenty of stretch here, and your fabric will come out covered in your cord. Keep it in tight to the edge. You want your stitch to be nice and close to the cord. I'm going to have enough here to make a cushion, and we'll do that on another day.